Hello all, my name is Shubhangi Prashant Pandey and I'm here to unbox this watch. And I'm going to be continuing the legacy of unboxing the watches, and I'm going to be dedicating this watch to my father on Father's Day. Let's begin. Ooh, nice. Fancy. Well, you see I have a Seiko watch in this box. Well, let's open this up. Well, here's the watch. We're gonna open it up. Here is the watch. Here is the watch. It's a mint greenish bluish color with a silver dial and a silver strap. And we have another strap. I'm going to try this watch on. As you see, it looks very beautiful on the hand. Just my hand is a bit small, but it looks very pretty. It's a very beautiful watch. We're gonna take it off carefully because we don't want to scratch it or hurt it.